Hi guys, today I have come with a new video where we have discussed how to create a YouTube account. Uh, YouTube has a wide range of users who constantly produce content, presenting an additional platform for individuals who can have an extra income by staying indoors. Creating a YouTube account merely marks just the beginning of accessing the numerous opportunities to engage a global audience. YouTube stands out as one of the most extensively used social media platforms, owing to its diverse user community and the relentless stream of content generated by creators. YouTube provides users with diverse content such as music videos, educational videos, entertainment videos, entertainment clips, vlogs, tutorials, and much more. User can engage with videos through comments, like, and shares, as well as subscribe to channels to stay updated with their favorite creators. Furthermore, YouTube allows content creators to monetize their videos through advertising, sponsorships, and other ways. As you know, if anybody want to create a YouTube channel. So first of all, they have to create a YouTube account, and after accounting, after and then starting to post their videos. Maybe you can post like once, twice, thrice in a week your original content in your channel. And once you reach the 1,000 of the subscription limit and reach the 4,000 of watching hours of your all videos, then you will be eligible to monetize your channel. So in this way, anybody can create a YouTube channel and create a YouTube account, which I will show you the steps. So just keep watching. So these are the steps to create a YouTube account. Step 1, the user should launch the YouTube app on their mobile device. Step 2, tap on the profile picture located in the top right hand corner. Step 3, select the sign in option present available on the screen. Step 4, choose to tap add account. Step 5, if you are already signed in with the Google account and wish to create a new one. Step 6, go through the above step by opening the YouTube application on your device. Step 7, tap your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Step 8, choose the add account option present on the screen. In this way, anybody can create a YouTube account and then create a YouTube channel as well. And just created your channel, start posting the videos on their channel. And later on, once you reach the limit of 1,000 subscription and 4,000 hours of your all videos, then you will be eligible to monetize your channel and start earning. So in this way, anybody can create a YouTube account and become a YouTuber. So guys, I hope you like this informative video, and just request you to all just like this video, share as much as possible within your friends, families, and like like my and share my channel as much as possible, and subscribe my channel where you get all the upcoming my videos, new videos notification, because I just keep creating some technical videos which will be helpful in our daily life. So just I request you, if you're not subscribed now, so subscribe my channel and share this video as much as possible. I hope guys you like this video. Have a great day. Take care.